welcome back to the Chinese. 我係你哋嘅老師 Garia. Today we are going to learn one character in Cantonese. One, to look for. A. 我揾緊工啊，我揾緊工啊。I'm looking for a job. 揾緊 is looking for. 工 a job, work. 我揾緊工啊 I'm looking for a job. B. 你揾緊咩啊？你揾緊咩啊？咩 what? 你揾緊咩啊？ What are you looking for? 你揾緊咩啊？ What are you looking for? C. 你阿媽揾你啊！你阿媽揾你啊！ Your mom is looking for you. 你阿媽揾你啊！ One is not only looking for items but also person. There are also some useful expressions for one as well. For example, 揾錢 make money. 爹哋媽咪揾錢好唔容易㗎。爹哋媽咪揾錢好唔容易㗎。好唔容易 It's not easy. It's not easy for your parents to make money. Or make a living. 揾食 食 means eating. Food is the basic requirement for us to live. So 揾食 make a living. 揾男朋友 to look for a boyfriend. 揾着數 to look for benefits. Okay, that's today's word, one. I hope that you can make more sentences about one. Okay, see you tomorrow. 再见，拜拜。